Yellows, get ready. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, as I said, I got to pop the top on.
Give him a hand now, folks. Up that backside. We're back now, folks. Come on, let's go. This is where it's starting to hurt. The world champion on 1, reserve world champion on 2. Ryan Wagner here on 7, going well. 6 as well, going fantastic. Hey! Who's going to be second? Very close for second. Very close for second. Wasn't that close? With a minor plate in it.